Hey everyone, welcome back to the Wildwoods Hunt Farms YouTube beekeeping channel. And as you guys can see, I'm outside, going out to the bee yard, and look at all the snow. I don't know if y'all can really see, but I will be getting more shots since right now it's kind of cold. I'll be kind of showing around the property. I already did a video showing you guys the property and all that good stuff, but we're gonna show you some things I didn't show you in the video. And we're also just going to show you guys the snow and how much snow we got. I don't know exactly how much snow we've gotten so far. I know it's been a lot. It's very, very cold. It's like 25 degrees right now in snow in my face. So if you guys can guess, it's pretty cold. Bees are 100% not flying today. I would be very shocked if I saw any bees flying. They're not flying today. So, around the bee yard, you can see the colonies. I'm not going to be able to really show anything really good today, right now, in this position I'm in. Just because right now I'm doing manual ISO and all the settings on my camera. So, if I show you that, it's going to be way too bright and all the things like that. So, I hope everything sounds okay in the mic. I'm kind of covered with snow right now. That's why I have this hoodie on, so I can kind of talk a little bit better. So, we're going to show you guys a little bit of that. Hope everybody's doing well. We're down here in southeastern Alabama. We never get snow. We're not used to snow. But we got a ton of snow, and it's still snowing as we speak. But it has kind of settled down a little bit, because this morning it started really, really get going. So, let's go and get into the video, and thank you all for checking in.